Hi everybody, welcome to the random for the SP Game Use case break that replace the rookie anthology case break number 2. So the first random is going to be for the quad patch number 12. So that's going to be between the Pens, Avs, Rangers, and the Avs. So all the names are on the screen. So 2 times for the Pens, 4 times for the Avs, and 2 times for the Rangers. So we'll go right now. 3 times. 1. Pens at the top. 2. Rangers at the top. And the card goes to the Colorado Avalanche. Very nice. Alright. So the next one to be randomized is going to be the triple jersey fabric, Team Canada. So between Boston, Montreal, and Dallas. So let's go back with that. So it's between Bruins, Habs, and the Stars. Alright, let's randomize that 3 times. 1, Habs at the top. 2, still the Habs at the top, and the card goes to the Dallas Stars. Very nice. Alright, thank you very much everybody, and very happy with all the hits from that case. So especially the 3 of 3 of the game gear from the Chicago Blackhawks. Alright, thank you very much and have a great night.